Okay, we're just going to show you how to replace the staple cartridge in Konica and Lexmark machine. This is the Booklet Maker staple cartridge. So remove it from the machine, and there's two little arrow clips on the side there. You'll see that clip there and that clip there, that you want to compress them in, but make sure at the same time you're pushing these two bits out. It'll pop the top off, and then you'll see at the back here there's a little clip there. If you push that clip in and pull upwards, that cartridge will come out. Now what you just want to make sure of is, see this bottom bit here, if you haven't ran the staples out completely, that bottom bit, you want to open up that one for me, that bottom bit may still have a sheet of staples stuck in it. You'll need to remove those sheet of staples before you do it, so you pop that clip down and then pull those staples out the back. Maybe a little bit difficult, but just make sure you pull those staples out. Put the clip back on. Yep. So what we're going to do is replace the staple cartridge now. Simply put it in with the nose. You'll see at one end, show this bit here, there's a little notch there. That notch goes under that plate there, so push that in a diagonal, clip them down at the back, and then close the staple cartridge. Easy as that.